In this video, I'm going to be teaching how to make onion stew with some chicken wings in a pot or pan, going with some vegetable oil. And remember, for onion stew, you need a lot of onions. It's called onion stew for a reason. I used 4 medium-sized onions for this. Then I'm going with some tomatoes, some Tatashe, and then going with some Scotch bonnet pepper. Spread this out. Please don't let your tomatoes, your tatashe, or your pepper be more than your onions. Onions is supposed to be more. And now you're gonna go in with your seasoning. For the seasoning, I made use of some salt, some beef Knorr cubes, some curry, and thyme. So you're gonna cover this and allow this to sit for about 9 minutes. This is 6 to 9 minutes. Then you're gonna open up your pot and stir this. Stir properly so that all your ingredients are evenly distributed. Now you're gonna spread this, allow to fry for a few minutes, and then go in with some water. Give it a stir. The few minutes you're allowing it, that you would allow it to fry for, it's like 2 minutes. 2, maximum 3 minutes. So you're gonna spread this out, and then you're going to go in with your cooked and fried chicken wings. When your chicken wings is sitting in pretty, you're going to go in with some scent leaf, just a little bit of it, not too much. You're going to cover up and allow this to cook for just 2 minutes. Open it up and stir your scent leaf into your onion stew. And just like that, you've made a really nice onion stew. Very easy to make and tastes really delicious. Thank you for watching. Bye.